Brian the amazing brain loves animals.
I'm going to the zoo. What sort of animals will I see?
Brian wonders.
What sort of animal are you?
Brian asked. I'm the giraffe. I'm the tallest animal in the world. I can eat leaves from the tops of trees. Brian saw a big striped cat.
What sort of animal are you?
Brian asked. I'm the tiger, the biggest cat in the world. I like to swim. Brian saw some strange animals.
What sort of animals are you?
Brian asked. We are meerkats. We like playing and digging holes. Brian saw a big cuddly bear.
What sort of animal are you?
Brian asked. I am the giant panda. I eat bamboo and I sleep a lot. Brian saw an animal with very big ears.
What sort of animal are you?
Brian asked. I'm the elephant. I'm the biggest animal of all. I have a long nose which sounds like a trumpet. Brian saw a big hairy animal.
What sort of animal are you?
Brian asked. I'm the gorilla. I have long arms with hands and feet just like people. Brian saw another strange-looking animal.
What are you?
Brian asked. I am the rhino. I have very thick skin and big horns. Brian saw some horses with stripes.
What are you?
Brian asked. We are zebras. Our black and white stripes help us hide. Brian saw another very big animal.
What are you?
Brian asked. I am the hippo. I like to be in water, but I can't swim. I get very cranky.
What sort of animal are you?
Brian asked a big cat. I am the lion. I'm king of the animals. I have the loudest roar of all. There were lots of different animals to see at the zoo. Brian liked them all. What was your favourite animal? Why?